Hello friends and welcome to Mr. Security YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about an application through which you can easily create different designs for your YouTube videos, for different pictures and different kind of designs, different kind of videos. So the application name is Canva. Just go to Play Store. Let me click on this Play Store. I'm writing here Canva. After clicking on this Canva, so I have already installed it once update, so I'm not going to update it right now. Just click on the install button. So it is just 23 MB. After clicking on the install button here, you open this Canva. You can do so many things using this Canva. There are two modes for this Canva. One is the simple or free mode and the second one is the Canva Pro. So what you can do is just click on this plus button. There are different methods, different ways of creating videos. What kind of video or what kind of picture you want to create. So like mobile video for Instagram post, for Facebook post, or for YouTube thumbnails. If you don't know what is thumbnail, I will give a video on this thumbnail as well, how you can do this and what is the benefit of thumbnail. So I'm going to click on mobile video. It will load a little bit. If your mobile graphic is of good quality, so it will easily give you the highest design possible. So there are different templates that you can use. I can see a lot of templates here, so I don't want to do so many things. I'm just going to keep in mind some of them are pro, they are not for free, but some of them are for free, like this one. I have just click on the first one. You can search it as well. As you can see, there are different things. Just click on this each component of this picture, so you can easily change that. I'm just clicking, double click. So for example, I'm writing here my YouTube channel name, Mr. Security. So I have written Mr. Security, so I can give different designs for this. There are a lot of fonts you can see available here, thousands of fonts. Some of them are available for free and some of them are pro. I'm just going to select one of them, a simple one. So I can give it colors. Different colors are available here. I'm not going to give it that. This one is or this one, I don't know which one. There are so many beautiful colors, formats and spacing, effects, positions, lengths, and so many things only regarding to this picture, regarding to this writing. After, okay, as you can see, it is of 10 seconds. You can just see the preview of this picture as well, just by clicking on this video button. Okay, as you can see, it's going on, it's loading. Okay, what you can do after, okay, just click on this plus button if you want any kind of, if you want to upload any picture from the gallery and you want to design that, you can just click on this upload and upload media. I have these two pictures. You can upload the images, audio, and so many things. I'm uploading the media, so I just click on this upload media. In here, the whole media regarding to your storage device is available here. You can also create another text if you want. Like here, I'm going to click on the text. So different formats are available here for me, and I can use these. Like let's suppose I like this one. Right, just click it on this of and also you can create different positions for this. There are different 3 types of writing here. You can work on any of them you want. like you don't like to have this one. So I'm just removing this, and I'm going to write subscribe. No, I'm not going to write subscribe. I'm going to just write the date of today. Today is May 13, so I'll have to write 13 May. So I will write May in capital, so it will look very good. Sorry, 2022. So here I'm writing in this size subscribe. Okay, I have written subscribe. As you can see here, you can exactly change the size of these words. You can change the size and fonts from here as well, if you want to. What next you can do is to click on this photos and more. Let me check what is right here in more. There are a lot of things, different things, content forms, emojis, Google Maps, and different icons you can also embed into your this designing. So after doing all this, just click on this button, and you just click on this download button. So here are different formats you can download your this edited video or audio, video or picture. You can download it using JPG, PNG, PDF standard, or MP4. So in MP4 as well you can do this. So it says that what you can do is to 5 credits for this, continue to payment or things like that. So it is for free actually. Let me just download it simply. So it will create this for me. Right now it's going to prepare this design for me. I have done so many things in this. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So please subscribe to Mr. Security YouTube channel for more videos. Your support makes me motivated for giving you a lot of updates and so many things regarding to computer science, regarding to different applications. All of them are helpful for you, and I hope you enjoy these videos I'm creating for you. I'm doing this much effort, so one subscribe of you can motivate me a lot. That means a lot to me. So till next video with new topic, I take permission from you guys. So have a good time. Take care. Bye bye.